I recently saw this video which simply moved me to tears. And because it's in a foreign language, Italian to be precise, I thought, why not share it with you? And the name is Vedro con mio diletto. So, I will see with my beloved.
Vedrò con mio diletto l'alba dell'alba mia, dell'alba mia, il cuore del mio cuore.
Oh wow. I literally don't know how to comment on such a masterpiece. And just a funny comment under this video. It says music that's nearly 300 years old being performed by two guys in their 30s who look like they're heading to the beach or somewhere after. Wow, a spectacular song, and this guy, his voice is beautiful. Wow.
Quindi
Wow. And this is why I recommend that you get involved in foreign languages because you have gems like these. Appreciating a song because it sounds good to the ear, it's one thing. But when you understand the lyrics, it's it's beyond amazing. Wow. Wow. Well, that is it for today. I just want to show you that video, this song that touched me. And since it's in another language, it touched the very essence of my channel, foreign languages. Well, check out the original video. I'll leave it in the description box. Wow, and yeah, like, subscribe, share, and learn a foreign language. Honestly, if you sing like this, just let me know in the comments. Come marry me immediately. Wow.